depensa, kailangan ba silang magpalit na or meron po ba tayong dapat na ikabahala
I do
regarding
not-
these issues po?
I have no personal knowledge or privy to anything about Huawei, so I cannot competently respond to your question.
How about, sir, ng assurance na bago po natin tangkilikin tong mga ganito pong technology, ay nasisecure po natin yung atin pong information at ginagawa naman po ng pamahalaan yung responsibilidad na maprotektahan po yung atin pong seguridad.
As I said earlier, the President will wait for any recommendation coming from the National Security Advisor and the Department of National Defense.
Okay, question? Sir, tanong ni Jinky Baticados ng IBC 13 on ROTC passing at lower house daw po. Reaction ng
That's good
Paras.
news. The President wants that passed.
And sa Canada, yung bibiyahe na daw po yung Canada Trash, pabalik sa Canada anytime this
Already
week.
answered.